Not blinking for an entire year is an extreme scenario that is not physically possible for a human. Blinking is an involuntary reflex that serves several important functions, including keeping the eyes moist, protecting them from irritants, and providing a brief moment of rest for the eyes. However, if we were to hypothetically consider the consequences of not blinking for such an extended period, here's a step-by-step breakdown of what might happen. 1. Initial discomfort. Within seconds to minutes of not blinking, the tear film on the surface of the eye starts to evaporate. The eyes may begin to feel dry and irritated due to lack of lubrication. 2. Increased tear production. First few hours. The body may attempt to compensate by producing more tears in response to irritation. Excessive tearing can occur as a reflex action, leading to watery eyes. Corneal damage. First few days. Prolonged dryness can lead to damage on the corneal surface, resulting in abrasions or scratches. The risk of developing infections increases due to exposure and lack of protective moisture. For chronic dry eye symptoms. Weeks. The sensation of dryness becomes chronic. Symptoms include burning, stinging, and redness. Photophobia. Increased sensitivity to light may develop as the cornea becomes more damaged. 5. Severe eye conditions, corneal ulcers. Without blinking, corneal ulcers could form due to ongoing damage and infection. Vision impairment. Vision may become impaired due to scarring or other complications from prolonged exposure. 6. Systemic effects long-term. Psychological impact. The inability to blink could lead to significant psychological stress or anxiety, fatigue, and discomfort. 7. Potential blindness. If one were somehow able to keep their eyes open without blinking for an entire year, severe damage could result in permanent vision loss or blindness due to corneal scarring or infection. Other complications like keratoconus or severe dry eye syndrome could develop. Conclusion. In reality, it is impossible for a human being not to blink for an entire year due to involuntary reflexes and physiological needs. If someone attempted this feat consciously, they would likely be unable to maintain it beyond a few minutes without experiencing severe discomfort and pain. Ultimately, blinking is essential for eye health and overall well-being.